Hey guys, so massive day for base meme coins. First of all, here you can see basically Coinbase wallet, which is official Coinbase account, tweeted this. So you guys like meme coins, huh? Noted. So, which means that I don't know if they listed Toshi before this or after. I think before Toshi, I mean after. But why this is huge is because, first of all, look at what happened to Toshi after it was listed on Coinbase. Here you can see basically $52 million in market cap and went to 651, I think even higher than that, around 800 million. And that's basically 10x, 12x in how many days? Here you can see from January 13th to 26th. So basically in 13 days, not even 2 weeks, Toshi went 10x. And that's the power of Coinbase listing. That's the power of markets being quite active. And right now, as you may know, Trump is bullish on crypto. And this was listed on Base. And that's why, I mean, on Coinbase. And there are so many people on Coinbase. The biggest, the oldest exchange in the world is Coinbase. Now, I will talk about some base meme coins that I'm really, really bullish on. And first of all, this basically indicates that they will be listing more meme coins because, as you can see, you like meme coins. And there are so much opportunities. First of all, let's talk about DOGINME. I have been talking about these projects like since November. That's why you have a plenty time to basically go all in, or just buy some of this if you have been following my YouTube. So right here you can see market cap 47 million. You might think it's quite high, but again, looking at Toshi, the market cap was around $55 million. So basically quite similar. Why I am more bullish on DOGINME right now than on Toshi. I mean, obviously Toshi is much higher. That's why it will be much harder for Toshi to go another 10x. But it is easier for example, DOGINME. And why I'm bullish is here you can see Brian Armstrong on November 9 basically tweeted this. This was like a reply to Solana. I think one of the Solana co-founders. Yes, co-founder of Solana Labs. Here you can see he basically posted this, which is DOGINME. I mean, DOGINME have used this meme for months, and now, I mean, in November, Brian Armstrong posted this. That's why I think there's a 99% chance possibility that this will be listed on Coinbase. And again, only $47 million. And again, this video is not a financial advice. Everything can go to zero in crypto. These are just my opinions. And looking at this chart, I like the retracement. So the whales are basically selling. And obviously, if whales are making, here you can see DOGINME has went, I think, like 2x at least, yes, in the last 1 month. Even more than that, like 3x. And imagine someone buying like right here, like 100,000 worth of DOGINME, and it goes to 3x, 4x. Obviously, he will be selling, but I am waiting for the big daddy, for the Coinbase to list DOGINME. So I am basically holding and buying more on these retracements. Now, next one is Base God. Thank you, Base God. Again, nice retracement. Some whales are selling, but look at the market cap, 26 million. Imagine if this does the same as Toshi and goes to like 600, 700 million. That would mean, if my math is correct, that would be around 20x, 25x, basically 2 times more than Toshi did. Because yes, the market cap is 2 times lower than the Toshi was before it did 10x. So you are looking at potential 20x, maybe even 30x, because this specific coin, here you can see Jesse Pollack has mentioned Base God. he has mentioned Base God on like 6 different podcasts. If you search on X, Jesse Pollack and TYBG, you will see that he has been posting TYBG so much. Actually, you have to search like this, advanced search and Jesse Pollack. So basically, TYBG from these accounts at Jesse Pollack right here. So here you can see how many times he has been even replying to Base God. If you scroll down, TYBG, like August 2024. So he has been talking about TYBG like since February 2nd. Like this is insane. That's why I think, I mean, that's what I mean, that there is so much upside. And this is personally my biggest bag, my biggest holdings is TYBG, because Jesse Pollack has been talking about it. And I like underrated, undervalued projects. Now everything can happen. And the third project, and first of all, yes, the third project is basically BENJI. Now, why I like BENJI from all of these three, I think BENJI is BENJI project, BENJI team basically is doing the best marketing. Here you can see recently, basically 4 days, I mean 9 days ago, they introduced this. They announced that they will be advertising on with stadiums, within stadiums across AC Milan, Juventus, BVB, I think this is Dortmund, and Bayern Munich for entirety of the 24-25 season. So here you can see the impressions, 300 million, and seen by over 30 million fans within stadiums. So this means 300 million if we are counting the people that are watching on TV, on bars, basically on TV, and these are just in stadiums. So I love what BENJI is doing, really insane. If you look on their profile and do your research, you will see that even people like DaVinci 15, one of the OGs in crypto, that predicted, that talked about Bitcoin, but Bitcoin was at $1. Even he was talking about BENJI. Here you can see even on tech talking about BENJI, and BENJI is one of the OGs on the basically Base chain. Here you can see they basically came out in March, and I think Base came out in January, February, something like that. So this is basically an OG project. That's why the community is quite huge. Here you can see the price actually went from 19 cents or 1 penny, almost 2 pennies to 6 pennies. But here you can see in the last 24 hours, this basically went up and it is starting to go lower. But overall, I love what BENJI is doing, and the BENJI is such a great meme coin because base is in the first 4 letters, and you just add the NG, and you get BENJI. So great meme. I haven't seen actually Jesse Pollack or Brian Armstrong talking about this project, but it is such a huge community. And again, if they are doing something like this, this means that they are actually investing their own money from what they are earning to actually push their own project. It's not like some random Solana meme coins that don't do anything, and I don't know why. They are just basically on X, and some big influencers are shilling them, and they still got 1 billion, 2 billion, even more than that. And this actually, this project is doing legit things. That's why this pump is really, really reasonable. It should go higher, but again, we have to wait for the Coinbase listings. That will do the 10x's, 20x's, and I think the more bullish we get overall in crypto, because right now the retail is still not here. My friends that are not in crypto are not talking about crypto in 2021 when NFTs were big. My non-crypto friends were talking about crypto NFTs, but right now no one is even asking me, because honestly, it is not yet the euphoria. Many people think that it is euphoria because huge influencers are making hundreds of thousands or millions, but you have to remember they have big followings, and projects are right now focusing on these influencers because it is much easier for them to get some eyeballs. And but basically, when we get into a bigger bull run, and I think we'll go in a bigger bull run, because again, USA is about to go zero taxes on crypto and on everything. Trump is bullish. I think he's also he wants to cut rates, which means that it will be easier for people to take out loans because the rates will be lower. They will have to pay less in the interest. That's why everything is, I think, going so great. I hope they will print some money, because money printing also improves the crypto markets, because the trust is lost in the dollar or in euro, whatever. That's why people are buying Bitcoin. But really, I think outlook on the crypto for the next few months is really, really insane. And I think if we start the bull run later, I think it will be ongoing for basically at least 12, 16 months. If we aren't, if the bull run hasn't started yet, it will go for longer. The later we start, the longer we go. That's what I basically want to say. That's why I think right now, again, there are so many opportunities, and we have to remember that Bitcoin is basically going up steadily. I know that people are not bullish on Bitcoin right now because it is at $104,000. But if you think about it, it was around 60 to 50 to 70,000 for many months. Now it went to 90,000, and it has been going to 90,000, from 90,000 to 100,000, 104, 107, and back. But there's such short period of time, and I think it will start to pump hopefully really soon. And if you are looking historically at January, I will show you something here. Let's look at 2021 bull run. So 2024, 2020, 2020, 2021. So basically here you can see from January 1st, basically Bitcoin went from 29,000. I mean, yeah, 29,000 to 40,000. Now watch the next thing. What happened from mid-January to basically here you can see end of the January 28th. It basically went from 40,000 to 29,000, almost 29,000, which means basically here you can see 40,000, 30,000. That is 25% drop. I think right now Bitcoin isn't that low, so 25% would mean that Bitcoin goes from 100,000 to 75,000 from January to late January, and this hasn't happened. And here you can see only in February it started to go up significantly again. And this is actually the time where the euphoria kicked in. And I think this will happen basically similar. Right now we are in this stagnation point right now, but February will look like this. And then we will go retrace for a bit. Then we will go higher and higher and higher until we hit May, because again, summer months are really, really bearish. And I hope they are not bearish this year, but still, this is basically a really simple outlook on the history. And that's what I think will happen right now. Because if we are looking at charts right now, for example, the last year, you can see we basically went up from November, and we have stagnated quite a bit, had some retracements, but we are not having the 25% retracement as we did in 2021. That's why I think the next step is basically just stagnating a little bit, maybe dumping, and then going higher and higher to reach the 250,000. That's why I think the whole 2025 will be bullish. I hope that all the 4 years of Trump presidency will be bullish, because he will be doing some insane things for the economy. But yeah, this video is about DOGINME, base god BENJI, my biggest base Memecoin holdings. And if you don't want to miss latest alpha, because everything I post first on my Patreon. You can basically sign to my Patreon, only $10 a month. I'm trying to post daily, multiple times a day. Everything I find, I post on Patreon as soon as possible, so you can get in fast. Even the opportunities that I don't buy in, but I think are really, really great, I'm still posting on Patreon, so people can take advantage of everything I do, because I am in many alpha groups that are really early in airdrops in different projects. That's why if you want to sign up and get some alpha, thank you. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in next video.